Hey guys, welcome to Joe's GE. I'm Daniel, and I'll be showing you how to pair your smartphone to the DJI Osmo Mobile gimbal. I'll be showing you how to power it on, how to insert the phone into this cradle here, and then how to get the phone running and connected to the Bluetooth app on their app store. So first thing first, let's insert our phone into the cradle. We have our phone here. We're just going to insert it through the top. And on the back, we have a dial here. You can use it to tighten or untighten it, but we're going to tighten it for now because we want to place it into our gimbal. Once it's pretty tight, it'll hold on well. Grip it back on the handle. Now it's gripped on. The motors are off, the unit is off. But now once we have it in there, we have the power button on this side. Press and hold it down, slide it down for 1.5 seconds. There's a sensor on the gimbal that checks to see if the phone is in place. If your phone is not placed in there, the gimbal will just go loose and it will just fall down the motors, and it'll be waiting until you put your phone into the gimbal. If your phone is in the gimbal, it'll now engage all the motors for the gimbal and it'll hold your phone steady. Now, we want to go into the app, the DJI Go app. And here it'll say connect your device. If you have not used the DJI Go app, it'll ask you to log in, create an account, some little questions, a few, just answer them, and then you'll be on this screen. Once you're on this screen, you'll see it says connect your device. Tap that. It'll ask to pair. Press pair. Now your phone is paired to the gimbal. To double check that, you can double tap the trigger button here on the back, and it should reset the gimbal to the area where you're pointing. We also have the shutter button here, the bottom button. That'll take a photo. This button will record a video. This joystick will move the camera left and right, up and down. Or I should say the gimbal, it'll move it left and right, up and down. There you go. If you have any questions or need help with getting your gimbal to work, or if you have any issues with your gimbal, feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Thank you.